بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الأمين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. We have revised together the spelling, and by like this week the spelling is about the irregular plurals and the grammar is about the regular plural nouns, so it's almost the same. So please pay attention. We have explained what is a noun. We have said that a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. I'm going to repeat. A person, for example, your name is your noun, okay? For example, her name is Anita here, you see? And my name is Malik, okay? And his name is Khalid. And the other one is Ali. And the other one is Abdul Rahman. And the other one is Fahd. You see, all those names are nouns. Okay, even the names of countries and cities, those are nouns too. Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Jeddah, Al-Bahrain, Tunis, Tunisia, Egypt, Algeria, Morocco, France, Spain, the United States of America, Argentina, Mexico, all of those are nouns of countries, or names of countries, so they are nouns. The second thing is places, okay? Any place that you go to and you can name is a noun. For example, a forest, a park, a zoo, a museum, a house, المسجد الحرام, المدينة المنورة, all of those are nouns. Animals, all types of animals, they have nouns or they have names. Those names are nouns. Number 4 are things, just like a phone, a mobile phone, a laptop, an iPad, a television, a book, a copybook, a notebook, a bottle of water, a fizzy drink, whatever. Anything you can name, that's a noun. The only thing that I want you to pay attention to are actions. Actions are verbs. They are not nouns. For example, to write. It names an action. It does not name a noun. You see, it names an action. Okay. So jump, play, surf the web, for example. To go snorkeling, for example. To go diving, for example. You see, all of those are actions, and actions are verbs. Okay, you see. So this year we're going to study the action verbs and the helping verbs, and both are not nouns. But now, for now, please pay attention to the action verbs. Next, I have explained in the other video that a singular noun is derived from the word single, which means one by itself. However, the plural is derived from plus, which means more than one. That's plural and singular. Now, here we have, what are the rules to change the singular to plural noun? We have 3 rules, and you have to pay attention to all of them, please. Of course, the verbs, the nouns that are going to follow the rules, they are regular nouns, but we have some irregular nouns which do not follow the rules. Rule number 1, add an S, as simple as that. Boy, boys. Dog, dogs. Girl, girls. Book, books. Park, parks. You see, it's too easy. Number 2, if you have a word that ends in a noun that ends in double S, SH, CH, S, or X, or Z, just add an ES. Just like bus, it's going to be buses, but you have to add ES. Kiss, it's going to be kisses, but you have to add ES. You cannot add a third S, it's obvious. Wrong, you see? Bush, bushes. Bench, benches. Box, boxes. You see? Whenever you have one of those, just add the ES. And I have said, for an example of Z, quiz, quizzes. It's too clear. Let's move on. Rule number 3. If you have a word that ends with a Y, and before that Y you have to have a consonant, just change that Y into IES. Cherry, cherries. Lady, ladies. Puppy, puppies. Party, parties. Now everyone knows the meaning of a play. Just like our play we are studying, scene 2, okay, in the theater. A play ends with a Y, but before that Y I have an A, which is a vowel. So I have only to add an S. Boy. Before that Y I have an O, so I only add an S, boys. Toy. Before that Y I have an O, which is a vowel, so I only add an S. I won't change it into IES. I remind you of the vowels. The face is the O, E is an I is an I. Of course an I mean an I, you see. I'm sorry, here the A, the I is the nose, and the U is the mouth, and those are the vowels in English. If you have a vowel plus a Y, just add an S. If you have a consonant plus a Y, just remove that Y, omit it, delete it, and change it with IES. Can you turn these words into plural? Of course. City. I'm going to check the letter before Y. Is it a consonant or a vowel? So I have a T, which is a consonant. I'm going to omit the Y, and I'm going to write cities. Here I don't have any problem. I don't have an O. I don't have a Y, and we didn't study that it is an irregular plural with teacher Malik. So I'm going to add an S, tracks. Whoa, here I have a problem. I have an SH, and we have said that with SH we're going to add ES, dishes. So we have done this together. If you haven't finished it, you can stop my video here and you can take the correction. If you have any problem, any question, please send it to me. I'm going to be happy to answer it on WhatsApp or Classera. See you tomorrow, God willing. Thank you, goodbye.